Hey.
That is how you get hurt. You do not climb into plastic bags.
Fool. Ow!
Just a heads
Don't
up,
bite
man.
me.
Ow! You're kind of slow.
He's got as slow as roll.
Yeah, slow. Slow.
He is really off the leash today.
Slow.
Yeah, that helps. Where's your sister? Hiding from you? She's like, Miss Kira's just like those two. Oh, don't let him do that to her.
Free shots.
She bit him. That's
See?
great.
You've been reprimanded, little man.
We have to splice these videos that we take of them together. Now you can see from here, after the jump, that our little man here is getting quite big. So is his sister, but his sister is up somewhere napping.
Show how tall you are.
Giving off your hair into the camera. He really is getting tall. Say hi. Damn. Oh, so cute.
Business dealings? Handshake? Pleased to meet you.
He's like, I'll bite you too.
Nice to meet you.
If you let me.
Pleased to meet you. Business dealing?
Give me you. Here, say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. I think that signifies the end. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Say bye to the camera. Say bye. No. No byes? No byes again? Alright, bye.